If you're considering purchasing this new iPad Pro, your next move would be to explore suitable accessories. So in this video, we will show you 15 indispensable accessories tailored for your new iPad Pro M4. Introducing the Logitech Crayon stylus, your gateway to unlocking the full creative potential of your iPad. This digital pencil offers pixel-precise accuracy, mimicking the feel of a traditional writing instrument for a seamless experience. Whether you're jotting down notes, annotating documents, or sketching diagrams, its unparalleled control ensures precision with zero lag. The Smart Tip dynamically adjusts line weight according to tilt angle, delivering an authentic pencil-like feel. Plus, with palm rejection technology, you can comfortably rest your hand on the screen without unintended inputs. Designed for both students and professionals, the Crayon enables innovative writing, drawing, and learning experiences through Apple Pencil-supported apps. With up to 7 hours of active use and instant connectivity, this durable stylus ensures productivity throughout the day. Presenting the OtterBox Statement Series Studio, a state-of-the-art case tailored for the new Apple iPad Pro, ideal for modern professionals seeking a blend of protection and versatility. This cutting-edge case boasts an adjustable stand to boost productivity, integrated protective features to safeguard against drops, and a dedicated compartment for storing and charging the Apple Pencil. Available for both the iPad Pro 13-inch and iPad Pro 11-inch models, this case showcases meticulous craftsmanship. Constructed from premium materials such as genuine leather and robust polycarbonate, it ensures enduring performance. The detachable Folio provides various viewing angles, catering to tasks like typing, viewing, or drawing, while the magnetic closure adds an extra layer of security and convenience. Whether you're working, streaming, or creating, the OtterBox Statement Series Studio for Apple iPad combines style, functionality, and durability in a sleek package. Here is the Apple Pencil Pro, revolutionizing the drawing experience with groundbreaking features. Its new sensor allows you to squeeze the barrel, instantly accessing a tool palette for seamless tool switching and color adjustments. With a custom haptic engine, tactile feedback enhances interactions like squeezing, double tapping, and snapping to smart shapes, ensuring intuitive control. Equipped with a gyroscope, precise orientation adjustments are possible by simply rolling the pencil, while rotating the barrel mimics traditional pen and paper techniques for pen and brush tool orientations. Additionally, hover functionality enables visualizing tool orientation before drawing. The stylus integrates seamlessly with Find My for easy location tracking, and features a magnetic interface for effortless pairing, charging, and storage on the iPad Pro. This advanced stylus is a game-changer for iPad-based workflows, providing a feature-rich and intuitive tool for creative tasks. Meet the Plugable USB-C stand dock, a versatile accessory merging an adjustable iPad stand with a comprehensive USB-C hub. Its double-hinge design allows for optimal viewing and camera positioning by enabling users to tilt the iPad effortlessly. The hub component offers diverse connectivity options, including an HDMI port for external display support, 2 USB-A ports, an SD and micro SD card reader, an audio jack, and dual USB-C ports, one for power pass-through up to 100W and another for connecting the hub to the iPad. With 100W pass-through charging, your device remains powered throughout your work sessions. This well-designed solution elevates iPad functionality by incorporating a capable docking station. Combining a sturdy stand with a feature-rich hub, the Plugable 8-in-1 USB-C iPad dock emerges as a compelling choice for iPad users seeking to boost productivity and connectivity. Prepare to be amazed by the Shargeek Storm 2 100W power bank, a truly unparalleled device in its class. It stands out as the world's first transparent portable charger, offering a mesmerizing view of its inner workings. Beneath its crystal-clear exterior lies cutting-edge technology, boasting a substantial 600 mAh capacity and rapid 100W charging speeds, capable of refueling devices from smartphones to laptops in record time. The intelligent IPS display provides real-time charging data, including output levels, voltage adjustments, temperature monitoring, and remaining battery life. Engineered for universal compatibility with multiple outputs, this power bank reigns supreme. Whether you're charging phones or laptops, it's the ultimate accessory for your iPad Pro, seamlessly combining artistry with innovation to redefine portable power. Behold, the ultimate charging solution for all your devices. A groundbreaking charger featuring 4 USB-C PD ports with advanced power distribution capabilities. Whether you require 100 W for a single device or up to 165 W spread across 4, this charger adapts intelligently to deliver the optimal charge. Utilizing cutting-edge gallium nitride (GaN) technology, it ensures faster and more efficient charging than ever before. Certified with CE and ETL, it guarantees a safe charging experience. Its sleek space-gray design, complemented by a detachable power cord and convenient stand, adds a touch of style to any workspace. Fully compatible with the latest Apple devices, including the iPad Pro, it serves as the perfect charging companion. Offering a convenient and swift charging solution for a variety of devices, it proves to be a valuable addition to any tech enthusiast's arsenal. Elevate your charging experience today and embrace the power of convenience and speed. Prepare for the new, larger iPad Pro with a screen protector tailored to its size. Designed specifically for the iPad Pro 13, 7th Gen 2024, this magnetic screen protector ensures a perfect fit for your device. Equipped with convenient magnetic edges, it allows for easy attachment and quick removal, preserving the clarity of your original display. The specially treated surface delivers a paper-like feel, ideal for professional-grade drawing experiences. Thanks to its bubble-free installation facilitated by magnetic attachment, this protector seamlessly integrates with a tempered glass screen protector under 0.33 mm thick, providing enhanced screen protection. Embrace the perfect fusion of innovation and safeguarding with the iPad Pro 13 magnetic screen protector. Elevate your iPad Pro experience with the Logitech Slim Folio Pro keyboard case, a versatile companion designed to match its flexibility. This ultra-slim folio seamlessly adapts to your needs with 3 distinct modes. Boost your productivity with the backlit keyboard, featuring iPadOS shortcut keys for common actions like search and media controls. Need to sketch or take notes? Collapse it into sketch mode and use your Apple Pencil directly on the screen. For immersive reading, fold the keyboard back into read mode. Despite its sleek design, this rugged case offers full coverage while providing access to ports, buttons, and the iPad Pro camera. With up to 3 months of battery life between charges, you can stay productive or entertained all day, unplugged. Discover a revolutionary way to utilize your iPad with the CharJen Pro stand. This innovative accessory raises your tablet to an ideal viewing angle, reducing neck strain and encouraging a healthier posture. Designed with meticulous attention to detail and durability, it seamlessly complements the sleek aesthetics of your iPad. The sturdy aluminum construction, soft microfiber backing, and secure magnetic connection provide a stable and stylish docking solution. However, the true brilliance lies in its multi-hinge design, allowing effortless rotation of your iPad 360 degrees between landscape and portrait modes. Whether you're on a video call, creating content, or simply browsing, this stand adapts to your preferences, enhancing productivity while alleviating physical discomfort. Enhance your workspace efficiency and productivity with the Rolling Square Edge Pro Tablet Kit. The sleek Edge Pro core doubles as a stylish tablet and phone holder, ensuring your devices are positioned at the optimal viewing angle. Its magnetic design effortlessly docks your iPad Pro, maintaining the ideal angle for work or entertainment. However, this kit offers more than just a holder. It's a modular ecosystem designed to adapt to your preferences. Pair it with the fast wireless charger for cable-free power, or brighten your setup with the adjustable Edge Pro Lite. Constructed with a solid aluminum body and durable materials, the Edge Pro core provides a sturdy foundation for limitless customization options. Whether you're working remotely or unwinding during leisure time, this versatile kit revolutionizes mobile convenience. Meet the Satechi M1 Bluetooth mouse, designed to elevate your iPad Pro experience. This ergonomic accessory seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with precise performance, effortlessly connecting to your Mac or iPad Pro via Bluetooth 5.0, offering wireless freedom up to 32 feet away. Navigate through tasks with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its optical sensor tracking and fast scrolling capabilities. The soft touch navigation buttons and aluminum scroll wheel provide a natural, comfortable feel, while the rechargeable Type-C port eliminates the need for disposable batteries. Beyond its functionality, the M1 boasts a curved, ambidextrous design and brushed aluminum finish that complement your stylish workspace. Tired of juggling multiple chargers for your array of devices? The Ugreen Nexode 65W USB-C GaN Charger is here to streamline your power needs with its compact design. Delivering a robust 65W output, it swiftly revives your USB-C devices, whether it's your iPad Pro or MacBook Air M2. Thanks to its cutting-edge GaN technology, it boasts a remarkably small size, perfect for on-the-go use. Experience rapid charging. Your iPad Pro can reach 51% in just 30 minutes. Despite its power, intelligent safety features ensure your devices are protected from overcharging, overheating, and electrical faults. With broad device compatibility and a foldable plug for added portability, this charger simplifies your daily charging routine. Embark on gaming adventures wherever you are with the ultra-portable 8-Bitu Lite 2 controller. Weighing a mere 82 grams, this pocket-sized gamepad effortlessly slips into any bag, ensuring you're always prepared for epic gaming sessions on the move. Despite its compact dimensions, it boasts all the ergonomics and controls of a full-size controller, crafted in a contoured design tailored for extended play sessions. Whether you're gaming on a Nintendo Switch, Android device, or the latest iPads, Macs, and Apple TV, this versatile controller seamlessly pairs via Bluetooth or USB, ensuring universal compatibility across platforms. Enhance your gameplay with turbo functionality, immersive vibration feedback, and even motion controls on supported devices. Plus, with an impressive 18-hour battery life and rapid USB-C charging, you'll never have to miss out on a gaming opportunity. Enhance your new iPad Pro experience with the perfect companion, Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Offering an impressive audio experience powered by the Apple-designed H2 chip, these earbuds deliver richer sound and unmatched noise cancellation. Enjoy up to twice the active noise cancellation, ideal for immersive focus, while transparency mode lets you stay connected to the world around you. With 4 silicone tip sizes for a customizable fit, enjoy comfort and an acoustic seal all day long. The IP54 rating ensures resilience against dust, sweat, and water, making them perfect for any activity. Take control with intuitive STEM touch controls for volume, playback, and call management. Enjoy long-lasting battery life with up to 6 hours of uninterrupted listening, extendable to 30 hours with the MagSafe charging case, which also introduces precision finding and versatile charging options. Elevate your listening experience with AirPods Pro, where technology meets magic. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.